Good morning, Murray. We're over here at International Market on Bernard Street and 16th Avenue, right behind Belmont College. So what we're talking about today is 3/8 and 5/8. Gann and Fibonacci and Elliott Wave and Murray all agree that markets want to run 3/8 and 5/8. Most people are a little confused because they use 0.618 and 0.381. We use 0.625 and we use 0.375 as 3/8 and 5/8, which are fractals, which means they're an exact percentage of any given number. Being able to do this, you can move the decimal over or multiply it by 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, or 64, and you'll always get a major reverse in the stock market. To prove the point, a person has to have the most obvious, seen by all people, high and low reversals in the market. The easiest 5/8 move in the market is known by all Democrats. All Democrats know that President Obama was elected on November the 4th, 2008, and the stock market was 9,687.50. This is the truth, and it's reported by all the major universities in Nashville: USA Today, Wall Street Journal, and Fox Network. 9687.50. Stock market went down 3,125 points. That was on March the 9th of 2009. Murray had a class in California on March the 9th, 2009, and told that it was actually March 6th. And we had a class and we told everybody that the market would go up because the market was down 3,125 off of the price of Obama's election, and it was down 7,500 points, which is a minus 6/8 off of October the 9th, 2007, the all-time high in the stock market on the 17-year cycle. So on March the 9th, 2009, the market went up. It went up 3,125 points, and it went up an additional 3,125 points to May the 2nd of 2011. And that's a plus 5/8 move, or 6,250 points. There's not one person on the face of the earth who has a TV, a radio, or the newspaper who doesn't know that May the 2nd is when Obama's SEAL team killed bin Laden. Every person that you know knows that the stock market was 12,812.5 points from 6250 equals 6,250 points to the penny. Can't find one Republican, one Democrat, one high school dropout, one fifth grader who doesn't understand that. That's a true story. The truth is, it's sitting in front of us, but we're not allowed to know this. People are not allowed to know the obvious. So I have to point the obvious out to people so that they will see what they're looking at. I learned how to trade by looking at a chart without reading fundamentals. So if you look at May the 2nd of 2011, you'll see that the stock market went down exactly 2,500 points, which is a 2/8 move. 2,500 went up 5/8 and came down 2/8. On October the 4th of 2011, 5 days before Murray's birthday, the Dow Jones was at 10,312.5 points. All these numbers are already known. I predicted that the market would go up 1,875 points when it got down within 5 days of my birthday at 10,312, and it stopped exactly plus 1,875 points off the low near my birthday. How did I do that? I went back to October the 9th of 2002. The low in the stock market was 7187.50. I said the first time up for the stock market would be plus 1,875 points, and it would stop at 9,062.50, and that's exactly what it did. 1,875 points is the same as 187.50 or 1875 or 18.75%. On page 69 in Gann's book that he wrote in 1942, when I was born in 1982, Gann said his favorite percentage was 1875. So all these numbers are already known. You live through these numbers, your parents lived through them, but your parents are not allowed to tell you about them. I'm allowed to tell you. That's why I'm here. I'm telling you that the market's not random, and you know it. I can show you 50 markets reversing off the same point 81.25% in the last 90 days reverse off the same 8-day schedule. So thanks for listening, and we'll attach the charts for you, and then we'll give you an area where you can find other charts available. Thank you.